In this video, we are going to learn about the factor theorem. This is the learning outcome. If PA is equals to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. If x minus a is a factor of px, then PA is equals to 0. This means that the remainder is 0 when a polynomial is divided by its factor. Question 1 is, determine whether the following linear functions are factors of the given polynomials. To solve this, we must first find the value of x when the linear function or the divisor is equals to 0. For example A, the x value is equals to negative 4. Substitute negative 4 into the polynomial and we get the value negative 105. This means that x plus 4 is not a factor of px because the remainder is not 0. For example B, the x value is 1 over 2. Substitute into the px and the remainder is equals to 0. Therefore, 2x minus 1 is a factor of px. Question 2 is, the expression px cubed plus x squared plus qx plus 12 has a factor x plus 3 and leaves a remainder of 4 when divided by x minus 1. Find the values of constant p and q. Let the expression be px. The expression has a factor x plus 3, means that p negative 3 is equals to 0. Substitute negative 3 into px and we will get an equation in terms of p and q. A remainder of 4 when divided by x minus 1 means p1 is equals to 4. Substitute 1 into the px and we get another equation in terms of p and q. Use elimination method to solve for p. Then, substitute p equals to 2 into equation 1 to get the value of q and state the answer. Question 3 is, given that x plus 2 is a factor of 2x cubed plus x squared plus kx minus 4. Find the constant k. Hence, factorize the expression completely. Let the expression be px. X plus 2 is a factor of the expression means that p negative 2 is equals to 0. We substitute negative 2 into the polynomial and then solve for the value of k. The second part of the question is to factorize completely. We had to do the long division first, where we put the factor on the outside and the expression on the inside. So now divide 2x cubed by x, we get 2x squared. Then multiply 2x squared with the divisor, we get 2x cubed plus 4x squared. After that, subtract the polynomial with 2x cubed plus 4x squared and we get negative 3x squared minus 8x minus 4. And then we repeat the process again. Divide negative 3x squared with x, we get negative 3x. Then multiply negative 3x with the divisor, we get negative 3x squared minus 6x. After that we subtract, we get negative 2x minus 4. Divide negative 2x with x again and we get negative 2. Then multiply negative 2 with the divisor, we get negative 2x minus 4 and the remainder is equals to 0. Now substitute all these expressions into this form of equation and we get this. Then factorize the quadratic expression so that it is completely factorized. Question 4 is, Given that the expression is exactly divisible by x squared plus 2x minus 3, determine the values of a and b. So let the expression be px. The divisor x squared plus 2x minus 3 can be factorized into x plus 3, x minus 1. Exactly divisible here means the remainder is 0 when divided by x plus 3 and x minus 1. So we have p negative 3 equals to 0 and p1 equals to 0. Substitute negative 3 into the px and we will get an equation in terms of a and b. Then substitute 1 into the polynomial. We will get another equation in terms of a and b. So from here we can eliminate b by adding equation 1 and equation 2. And we get the value of a. Then substitute a equals to 10 into equation 2. We will get the value of b. To factorize completely, we had to do the long division first. So first we divide 3x cubed by x squared, we get 3x. And then multiply 3x with the divisor, we get 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 9x. Then subtract the polynomial with 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 9x, we get 4x squared plus 8x minus 12. Now 4x squared still can be divided by x squared and we get positive 4. After that multiply 4 with the divisor, we get 4x squared plus 8x minus 12. And the remainder is 0. Now substitute all of these expressions into this equation. Then factorize completely. In this question, we want to show that 2x plus 1 is a factor of px. The first step is to find the value of x when 2x is equals to 0. And we get x equals to negative 1 over 2. Substitute this value into the px. And make sure that it is equals to 0. Then make a conclusion. Please submit this exercise before the class ended. Thank you.